The JLM AC Foam Cleaner is a specialized cleaning product designed to effectively clean the air conditioning system of vehicles. It comes in a foam formulation that can penetrate deep into the AC vents and ducts, cleaning the evaporator, rinsing the parts and removing accumulated dirt and dust. By using JLM AC Foam Cleaner, car owners can improve the air quality inside their vehicles, prevent unpleasant odors, and ensure the optimal performance of their car's air conditioning system. Regular use of this product can help maintain a comfortable and healthy driving environment. Using an AC Foam Cleaner aerosol with a 120 cm long sprayer hose to clean your car's air conditioning system involves the following steps. 1. Preparation. Park your car in a well-ventilated area, preferably outdoors. Turn off the engine and close all windows and doors. 2. Protective measures. Wear gloves and safety goggles. 3. Locate air intake. Identify the air intake for your car's HVAC system, typically situated near the base of the windshield or within the engine bay. Consult your car's manual for guidance if needed. 4. Engine start. Start your car's engine and activate the air conditioning system to its maximum settings, including both fan speed and cooling mode. 5. Recirculation mode. Set the HVAC system to recirculation mode, ensuring that the air is being drawn from within the car's cabin and not from the external environment. 6. Shake can. Vigorously shake the AC Foam Cleaner aerosol can to ensure thorough mixing of the contents. 7. Attach hose. Attach the 120 cm long sprayer hose securely to the nozzle of the aerosol can. 8. Insert hose. Carefully insert the open end of the sprayer hose into the air intake. Make sure it is placed deep enough to allow the foam cleaner to be drawn into the system. 9. Spray foam cleaner. While keeping the can upright, press the nozzle to begin spraying the foam cleaner into the air intake. The foam will travel through the hose and into the HVAC system. 10. Continuous application. Continue spraying the foam cleaner until the recommended amount has been applied, as per the product's instructions or guidelines. 11. Wait period. Turn off the engine and let the foam cleaner sit within the system for the specified waiting period, typically around 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the foam to break down contaminants and build up. 12. Engine restart. Start the engine once more and activate the HVAC system on high fan speed and cold air settings for a few minutes. This helps dislodge the foam and dislodge debris within the system. 13. Ventilation. Open all windows and doors to facilitate the ventilation of the interior. Allow the car to run for a brief period in this condition. Final checks. Turn off the HVAC system and the engine. Close all windows and doors. Your car's air conditioning system should now be clean and refreshed.